So today we are on day 7 of the Navaratri, and we are going to look at the significance of numbers in our culture. Numbers signify, they are whole numbers. They could be parts, they could be fractions. And, numbers work in these ways. In our culture, number 9 represents completion. And let's look at why number 9 is important. And there's a specific context in which I'm going to tell you about these numbers. See, we are in the midst of Navaratris, and there are very good reasons why all these, Navadurga, Ashtalakshmi, all these things have a significance. Additionally, even within the Navaratris, families traditionally, and this is something that I have observed very strongly in North India, that on Ashtami, Maha Ashtami, the grand puja is done. And in some families, Maha Navami is, done in a very grand way. And they do this Kanya Puja they invite young girls, okay, and they treat those little girls like Durgas, and they do a lot of puja and stuff like that, which has very deep significance. And why is it that some people worship Ashtami so, in such a special and grand way, and why is it that families worship, do that grand puja on Mahanavami? What is this all about? So, we are going to look at number 9. Okay, and number 9 is of very great importance in our culture. Think of, 108 beads in a rosary, the Jap Mala. So, there are 108 beads in that. 1 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 9. 9 has a significance. Let's look at it. See, a circle means completion. And a circle is 360 degrees. 3 plus 6 plus 0, and you get 9. Divide 360 by 2 and you get 180. 1 plus 8 plus 0, again you get 9. You divide 180 by 2 and you get 90. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. You divide 90 by 2 and you get 45. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. You divide 45 by 2 and you get 22.5. 2 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 9. And you can go even lower. You divide this 22.5 further and you will get 11.250. So, 11.250, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5, you get 9. And you divide that further, 11.250 you divide further, you will get 5.625. Again 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5. And so you get 9. The total in every case comes to 9. So 9 is a number signifying completion for us. Now let's look at Ashtami and Navami. Why some people do that grand puja on Ashtami and why some people do that grand puja on Navami. Now you total the first day of Navaratra number 1 plus the second day of Navaratra number 2, 1 plus 2, then the third day of Navaratra 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3 plus 3 6, and the fourth day of Navaratra and the fifth day of Navaratra, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, and then you come to 8 plus 8. What is the total that you get? You get 36. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So technically, Ashtami signifies completion, because 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. You total that, you will get 36. And 36, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So Ashtami signifies completion. Okay, what about Navami? So you have already got 36 up till Ashtami, and you add 9 to it, because Navami, and you get 45. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So Ashtami also symbolizes completion, and Navami also symbolizes completion. So that grand worship done either on Ashtami or on Navami has the same impact. Now look at the beauty of the way numbers are used in our culture. As we saw, 9 symbolizes completion because 360 degrees gets reduced to 9. And now look at this. 360 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try dividing 360 by 7. You will not be able to do it. And in our culture, marriage is an indivisible union. What is called akartya. You cannot, cut it or divide it or do anything. It's an indivisible union. You can divide 360 by 8, you can divide 360 by 9. But you cannot divide 360 by 7. And to signify the solidarity of that bond, which we call matrimony, the Saptapadi, because marriage is basically, never mind how it is practically in people's life, it doesn't matter. But how is it, conceived? How is it envisaged? How is it imagined? It's imagined as a union where there is complete harmony and which is an indivisible bond of some kind. And so the Saptapadi, you cannot divide 360 by 7. Again, look at the notes of music. Okay, so sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. 7 notes of music. Music is harmony. And so this number 7 for us, it has a special significance when it comes to marriage and things like that. Okay, and number 9 of course signifies completion for us.